Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup and use of your Yuwell 680 Auto CPAP machine step by step. Whether you are new to CPAP therapy or just getting started with this model, you are in the right place. The Yuwell 680 device, the CPAP mask, the 19mm CPAP tubing, power cable, and the SD card. On the top of your unit, you will find the power button to switch the machine on and off. On the front, you have a large color LCD touchscreen. Ensure that you have inserted your SD card in the SD card slot located on the left side of your machine. At the back, you will find an air outlet where you will connect your CPAP hose. Below the air outlet port, you will find the inlet for your power cable connection to power up your device. On the bottom right-hand side of the back of your device is where your filter compartment is located. Lastly, from the front of your device, your humidifier tank is located on the right-hand side. The tank can easily be taken out by placing 2 fingers under the tank and by gently depressing the black plastic lever on the top of the tank with your thumb. It is important to take note of the maximum and minimum filling line on the tank. To open the tank, place 2 fingers under the clear plastic lip on the side of the tank and gently pull upwards. It is very important to use distilled water when filling your tank. The tank can now be placed back into the device. Connect your CPAP tubing to the outlet port at the back of the device. Connect your power cable to the power inlet just below the hose outlet port. Your device is now ready for use. Thanks for watching. Taking care of your Yuwell 680 Auto CPAP machine is simple once you get into a routine. Sleep well, and remember this therapy is an important step in protecting your health.